Remember the consistent workflow I shared earlier for Qwen Image Edit? The one that produces highly consistent images while getting rid of that plastic-looking skin? Well, I've been experimenting with it even more, and I think I found something much better. Originally, I was merging the LoRA into a BF16 version of the model. The results were already great, and the consistency was exactly what I wanted. Just as I was about to share and upload, I discovered ComfyUI was posting about INT8 and some default workflows with INT8. At first, I wasn't expecting a huge difference. I thought it would just reduce the model size or make it a little faster. But after testing it extensively, I was genuinely surprised. The INT8 version is noticeably faster, and more importantly, the image quality is excellent. In my tests, it actually performs better than the FP8 version while maintaining all the improvements from the LoRA merge. So I converted the model to INT8 and tested it. The consistent look is still there. The plastic skin effect is greatly reduced. It preserves the texture and the style and vibe of the image. Performance is also impressive. I'm generating an image in around 40 seconds on my setup. That's incredibly fast considering the quality I'm getting. I've decided to release the fully merged and optimized INT8 model. That means you can simply load the model and start generating without having to merge anything yourself. This is Qwen Image Edit 2511 and then quantized to INT8. The download link is in the description if you want to try it. Now Qwen Image Edit is much more practical to use. The model is smaller, delivers near BF16 quality results, and is fast enough for everyday use. Let's take this character sheet and place her in a jungle. Just look at that face. The consistency is incredible. Even if the original model tends to produce plastic-looking skin, this output gives you realistic skin texture while keeping the character's identity consistent. If you don't call that consistency, I don't know what is. The facial features stay the same, the textures are preserved, and the result looks much more natural instead of that artificial plastic look. And here's a quick tip. Qwen Image Edit works really well at 2K resolution, so don't be afraid to generate at higher resolutions if your hardware can handle it. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.